Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, it's time to warm up with some soup, everybody. The fall season is here. It's time to warm up. So we went to Walmart and we went on and bought this. Now, we've ate this before and we just wanted to share this with you, how we kind of jazz it up to make it so delicious, everybody. Nice, creamy cheese broccoli soup, everybody. Now, I know somebody be like, oh, Lord, I don't like broccoli and all this other stuff, but let me show you. This is the easy way to do it, okay? This pack was about $4.50. We came home, we boiled 8 cups of water, okay? But when we do it, we do about 10 cups of water. The reason why is because it has high sodium. It has like 980 mg's of sodium. That's salt, everybody, okay? So we want to be careful. So I always add extra, okay? But that's okay. It's going to taste delicious. We add the package into the hot boiling bubbling water. Go ahead and whisk that on in together. Make sure it's all nicely stirred up nice, everybody, okay? Do it as what the instructions say, okay? Bring it to a boil. Then I kind of go ahead and I order some good old broccoli florets, everybody. I like the top parts of the broccoli, not the stem part, but I like the top part. It's nice when you have the stem kind of, but not as the bulky stem part. So we go ahead and add that in. Ours was frozen, okay? You add that frozen broccoli in there, and you're going to turn down the stove a little bit and let it kind of just be on a medium-low heat, everybody, okay? Now, they say cook it for like 10 minutes, but what I do is that I go ahead and I turn it down and I do simmer it for like about 15 minutes because I add more extra stuff to it, okay? Now, this is what makes it taste good. This is our Mama Soul Kitchen. No salt, everybody. Yes, no salt seasoning. Okay, it's going to be on our website soon. But we go ahead, we add that on in there too. It's about the flavor, everybody. Okay, now you can do it the plain way if you want to. If you want to eat it like that, that's fine. That's your choice. But we like to jazz it on up. Look at them florets right there. Don't that broccoli florets look delicious? So this is going to be cooked to perfection, everybody, okay? Then, after we do all this, we're going to let it just kind of simmer on low. Make sure it's all nicely bubbled all together. Now, we went on chop some white cheddar cheese and some sharp cheddar cheese. And then we add that on into the pot. And so this is the last step, everybody. We are going to let it simmer still, okay? So this has been about 15 minutes in total now, everybody, because we let it go ahead and do this nice, all the googly all together. So we want the cheese to melt in it as well, everybody. Now we go ahead, we're going to turn it off, okay? We're going to let it sit and marinate for a while. Now, look at this. We made some Swiss cheese toast, everybody. Nothing fancy, just some nice bread with some Swiss cheese on top. Put it under the broiler. Made it to perfection. Don't burn it. Then we're going to add it into our nice little cup here. We like our little cups here. We just love our little Campbell soup. Reminds us when we was younger, back in the 70s and stuff. So anyway, we're going to add the soup into the cup here, and that's how we do it. Now, if you guys like what you see, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe button below. And we also like to thank Miss Cutie 5301 for joining our Mama Soul Kitchen YouTube channel. And welcome to our yellow table. See you guys soon.